Hello my friends, today we're going to learn numbers, counting, colors, and shapes. Wow, this will be fun. Let's get started. We have green in first, yellow is following behind. Alright, we have orange in first, blue in second, and who will take the lead? And look at that! First, we will learn numbers and counting. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 1. And do you know the color of this segment? This is green. We will assemble the caterpillar. Alright, first we will insert the string into the caterpillar segment right here. And we'll put the number 1 segment right here. 1. We will count to 1. 1. 1 ring. 1. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 2. And do you know the color of this segment? It is orange. The orange segment with the number 2 will go right here. Orange segment with the number 2. 1, 2. We will count to 2. 1, 2. 2. 2 rings. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 3. And do you know the color of this segment? It is pink. The pink segment with the number 3 will go right here. Let's put the string in. And alright, now let's pull. And this is the pink segment with the number 3. 1, 2, 3. We will count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 rings. 3. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 4. And do you know the color of this segment? It is light blue. This light blue segment will match right here. Alright, we'll first need to pull on this string. And the light blue segment will go right here. Light blue segment. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will count to 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rings. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 5. And do you know the color of this segment? It is yellow. Alright, the number 5 will go right here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 6. And do you know the color of this segment? It is brown. The brown segment will go right here. Brown segment. Alright, and this is the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rings. 6. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 7. And do you know the color of this segment? It is dark blue. The number 7 will match right here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rings. 7. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 8. And do you know the color of this segment? It is dark green. The number 8 will match right here. 8. Alright, let's count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We will count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rings. 8. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 9. And do you know the color of this segment? It is black. Alright, the number 9 will go right here. 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. We will count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rings. 9. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 10. And do you know the color of this segment? It is dark pink. The number 10 will go right here. 10. Alright, we will count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rings. 10. Wow, we have assembled the caterpillar and learned numbers and counting. Now we will learn numbers, shapes, and colors. Do you know what shape is this? This is a flower. And do you know what number is inside this flower? It's the number 1. Alright, where will the flower with the number 1 match? Will it match right here? No, what about here? Yes, the flower with the number 1 will match right here. The number 1 will match right here. 1. Do you know what shape is this? This is a circle. And do you know what number is inside this circle? It's the number 2. Alright, where will the circle with the number 2 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the circle with the number 2 will match right here. The circle with the number 2. The number 2 will match right here. 2. 1, 2. Do you know what shape is this? This is a hexagon. And do you know the number that's inside the hexagon? It's the number 3. Alright, where will the hexagon with the number 3 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the hexagon with the number 3 hole like this will match right here. 3. The number 3 will match right here. 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you know what shape is this? This is a square. And do you know the number that's inside this square? It's the number 4. Alright, where will the square with the number 4 inside match? Will it match right here? Yes, the square with the number 4 will match right here. The number 4 will match right here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will catch some fish and learn colors. Alright, we have caught our first fish, and this is the red fish. Let's catch our next fish. Alright, we have caught the blue fish. This is the blue fish. Let's catch our next fish. Alright, we have caught the next fish. Now, do you know the color of this fish? It is orange. We caught the orange fish. Let's catch the next fish. Alright, we've caught the next fish. Do you know the color of this fish? It is purple. We have caught the purple fish. Now let's catch the magenta fish. Alright, we've caught the magenta fish. Now let's catch our next fish. Alright, we've caught the last fish, and this is the teal fish. We have caught the teal fish. Do you know what shapes are these? These are triangles. We have the yellow triangle, the orange triangle, and the red triangle. Alright, red inside the orange triangle, and the orange triangle inside the yellow triangle. Where will all of these triangles match? Will they match right here? No. Then what about here? Yes! All the triangles will match right here. Triangles! Do you know what shapes are these? These are squares. This is the green square inside the light green square. Green square will go inside this green square, which is inside the light green square. Where will these squares match? Will they match right here? Yes, these squares will match right here. Squares. Do you know what shapes are these? These are circles. Alright, this indigo circle will go inside this light purple circle, and this purple circle will go inside the indigo circle. Where will these circles match? Will they match right here? No! What about here? Yes! These circles will match right here. Circles! Do you know what shapes are these? These are rectangles. Alright, the blue rectangle will go inside the light blue rectangle, and the dark blue rectangle will go inside the blue rectangle. Alright, these rectangles will match right here. Rectangles, circles, rectangles, triangles, squares. Wow, we've learned numbers, colors, and shapes. We will learn colors by whacking these cylinders. Alright, do you know the color my hammer is on? It is blue. Alright, we will need to whack this blue cylinder in. Alright, we have whacked the blue cylinder all the way down. Now, let's whack the next cylinder. Do you know what cylinder is this? This is the red cylinder. Alright, let's hit the red cylinder. Alright, we have hit the red cylinder all the way down. Now, do you know the color of this cylinder? It is yellow. Let's hit the yellow cylinder. Alright, we've hit the yellow cylinder all the way down. Now, do you know the color of this cylinder? It is orange. Let's whack the orange cylinder down. Alright, we have hit the orange cylinder all the way down. Do you know the color of this cylinder? It is orange. Let's whack down the orange cylinder. Alright, we have hit the orange cylinder. Now, do you know the color of this cylinder? It is red. Let's hit the red cylinder. Alright, we've hit the red cylinder all the way down. Now let's hit this cylinder. Do you know the color of this cylinder? It is yellow. Let's hit the yellow cylinder. Wow, we've hit the yellow cylinder all the way to the bottom. Now let's hit the last one. Do you know the color of this cylinder? It is blue. Alright, we first hit it like this, then we hit it like this, and then we hit it again, and we've hit the blue cylinder all the way to the bottom. We will race marbles and learn colors. Do you know the colors of these marbles? They are red. Now, do you know the color of these marbles? They are blue. Blue marbles. Now, do you know the color of these marbles? They are orange. Orange marbles. Now, do you know the color of these marbles? They are yellow. Yellow marbles. Now, do you know the color of these marbles? They are green. Green marbles. Now, do you know the color of these marbles? They are purple. Purple marbles. These marbles will race against each other and one marble will be the champion. Alright, we will race these marbles in 3, 2, 1. Alright, all the marbles have been released, and wow, look at that, they're coming down like a storm. And we have, let's see which marbles in first place. We have blue and, green in first, blue in second, orange in third. Alright, we have green and blue fighting for first place. Oh, orange steals the win! And red is the victor and the champion! Alright, we have green in second, green in third, orange in fourth, yellow is in fifth. Alright, so this marble is the champion. These marbles came in second to fifth place, and the rest that are on the track are eliminated. Wow, we have learned lots of things. That was so fun, and I will see you soon. Thank you, bye, and please subscribe to our channel.